Oh, you've run into a true Karen when she's screaming at you for having a loud exhaust. She threatens to call the cops for no reason.
Drive somewhere. You know what? I'm calling the police. This isn't safe. Don't you even think about going anywhere. I'm calling right now.
And finally, when it leads to a meltdown like this. What's up guys? Today we're diving into the most hilarious Karen freakouts. From loud exhaust tantrums to crazy road rage. These Karens are not happy, and honestly it makes it even funnier. So buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, to kick things off, we have a raging Karen wreaking havoc through the streets.
I don't have any idea what you're talking about, so.
Get that fucking. You just took it on camera. That car.
So I'm just gonna tell them to get the fuck out of here. What the fuck?
My life. Fucking Spider-Man, bitch. Thank you. I'm calling the police.
I don't even know what happened.
Oh, fuck it. Give me that.
Don't touch my phone.
Don't you fucking dare. I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the cops on that person who just about took my life out. Thank you. Take another picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you won't believe what this Karen said after interrupting the drive.
You wanna run my fucking ass? Get out the fucking car there, bitch! Get out! Get out! I didn't touch your fucking car, you dumb bitch! You were on my gun! Come and touch me, cause my man's right fucking there. Come and put your fucking hands on me. I ain't driving crazy. Your bitch was on my goddamn ass! I went to the fucking other lane! Get out of my face! Bitch! Fuck.
Up next, we have a Karen getting smoked.
Bruh.
Hey, get off my property.
You're in a neighborhood.
Off my property.
You're in a neighborhood.
I don't give a fuck.
I will call a
Call the fucking cops. I don't give a damn.
It is a. You're a fucking burning rubber.
Okay, so what? Did you pay for the fucking rubber?
No, there are
Who
places
paid
that
for the
you
fucking rubber?
There are
Who paid for these tires? Who?
You want to pay for the ticket?
Don't worry about it. Get out of here. Whose property you on?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Huh? Mind my business. She over here talking shit.
To be honest, I don't think this Karen liked the sound of this McLaren.
Wait, this woman's getting everyone's life. What the fuck? Holy shit! Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, that's hilarious. But wait until you see the Karen who doesn't want to move out of the way. Coming up, we have a dude who manages to escape the crazy Karen.
Hey, okay, I'll call you back. Hey, I have seen you around this neighborhood too many times. It's ridiculous.
Now we have our very first male Karen, who let's just say wants to calm it down.
I live here.
I live here too.
What's the problem?
Calm it down.
Calm what down?
Calm it down.
It's 1,000 horsepower. I was barely even touching it.
Loud muffler. Calm it down.
What are you going? It's a what?
I got your license plate.
I live right here.
I don't care.
What's your
Calm
problem?
it down.
What? How do you want me to dumb it down?
Calm it down. I know you live right here. I know you just bought here. Calm it down.
I've been living here for 3 years.
Don't do it.
Don't do what? It's 1,000 horsepower. What am I doing wrong? Exactly. Mind your damn business. Going back inside.
This next Karen needs to go back to school.
Bro, what? What, dude? Bro, people be so sensitive. What are you flipping me off for? It's alright, we gonna find out what I did in a second. Give me a red light, give me a red light. Oh, perfect! Are you having a bad day today?
You for trying to intimidate everybody.
What do you mean intimidate?
You just stay back there.
What did I do? I didn't do anything.
Racing your engine. Just
Racing my
stay
engine.
back where you
I
are.
think you're having a bad day. Oh my god. Bro, revving my engine. Did she say racing my engine? Karen's be fucking crazy, dude. I did nothing wrong. Racing my engine, that's crazy. I hope your day gets a lot better.
Some Karens are just too funny.
No! I told you not to park on my private property.
This is public street parking.
Oh! You did not just honk at me.
Now, she's insane, however nowhere near as bad as this woman.
What? What? What?
Do you see the sign?
Do I? This only goes 30 miles an hour.
Tell your jerk friend in the front. Is that Philip?
No.
Who is it?
I don't know who that is.
Yes, you do.
No,
Be honest.
I don't know them. I was just riding around.
Cops have been called many, many times.
You call the cops?
We have. Don't be a jerk. We call
What?
the cops.
Who is that guy? What the heck?
Who he is? Don't be a jackass.
I don't know what. I don't know.
I know that Philip lives down at the.
No, that's Philip. How is it? How is that Philip? Phil?
Do you see there's kids here?
That's Phil.
We already have, but you're gonna get a ticket if they catch you.
Wait, why? I'm not doing anything wrong.
25 miles an hour, and he's not doing 25.
This?
What are you gonna put me on YouTube with your stupid GoPro?
What? It's not even recording. It's not recording.
Don't be a schmuck.
What? Why are you being so mean to me?
We're telling you just to go slow. I have signs up here. There's my green.
Yeah, but I'm going slow.
Well, you're fine, but this guy's being a jackass.
Get the speed gun and make sure we're not on the right speed limit. Hit us with the speed gun. Because we don't.
You know you're not supposed to be going fast. It's 25 miles an hour. This is like Indy 500 because it's a flat straightaway. We have many dogs here and lots of kids. Who are you? Look at you. You got
Wait, is that Joe?
leg. Now you got a flip.
I think it's Joe. I think it's Joe.
You guys are being a-holes now, so stop being a-holes.
Alright, now that wraps up today's hilarious Karen Freakouts. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll like this one too.